Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Afrilia Wijayanti. Today, I will deliver a speech on the theme of politics. Okay, who here enjoys having freedom? Like freedom to speak, to choose, and to express your opinion? Almost everyone, right? Freedom is something we all value deeply because it gives us the ability to live our lives the way we want. But have you ever thought about what would happen if there were no boundaries at all? Okay, now imagine a world where everyone does whatever they want, with no rules, no leaders, and no sense of responsibility. Would that world be peaceful or chaotic? And what if the opposite happened, where people had to obey every command without question, even if it was unfair? Would that feel safe or scary? This question leads us to one important realization. Both freedom and control matter. That's what I want to talk today. Why democracy and authority must work together. First, democracy gives people a voice. It allows us to speak up, to vote, and to make choices that affect our life. Democracy is built on the idea of equality. It means that every person's opinion matters, no matter who they are or where they come from. Without democracy, our voice would be silenced, and leaders could act only in their own interests. And in a democratic system, people have the power to hold their leaders accountable. We can question their decision, express our disagreement, and demand fairness. For example, when citizens vote in election, they shape the future of their country. Democracy gives us that power, the power to choose, to question, and to hope for a better tomorrow. It reminds us that leadership should serve the people, not rule over them. Okay. Second, authority gives us order and protection. Freedom without structure can easily lead to chaos. That's why rules and laws exist, to make sure that everyone's freedom is respected, not abused. Okay, so authority provides guidance and direction, helping a nation stay organized and safe. Okay, think about our daily life in school. Without teacher and schools, without teachers and school rules, students might talk over one another, skip lesson, or ignore responsibilities. Learning would be impossible. The same goes for society. Without authority, people might act selfishly, putting others at risk. But when authority is fair and just, it keeps democracy alive by ensuring that everyone follows the same laws and respects one another's rights. Authority, when used wisely, is not about control, it's about creating harmony and security. Finally, democracy and authority are not enemies. They are partners that complete each other. Too much freedom without rules can lead to disorder, while too much authority without freedom can create fear and oppression. The best society is one that finds the right balance between the two. When people have freedom but also respect rules, peace and justice can flourish. For example, a democratic government relies on authority to enforce laws, but that authority must always listen to the people. It's a relationship of trust and responsibility. Together, democracy and authority bring progress, unity, and hope. They show us that true leadership is not about power, it's about service and cooperation. So, let's remember this. Freedom is powerful, but it must be guided by respect for authority. We, as the young generation, have the responsibility to protect both. Let's speak up for justice, but also obey the rules that keep our communities safe. Let's be brave enough to question what's wrong, but humble enough to follow what's right. True democracy is not about doing whatever we want. It's about creating a society where every voice is heard and every rule is respected. When freedom and authority work side by side, we build a nation that is strong, fair, and united. Thank you.